If we don't receive an inclusive education for all, it's quite difficult to implement product, services, and technology that is adapted to all type of people. We need to have in mind that we have a big spectrum of consumers, so we need to adapt to the necessities of every person because every person is different. So you cannot give the same type of product, service, and technology to all the people because everybody has different needs. What we have to implement first is apply empathy. If we don't know the needs of every person, we cannot develop products, services, and technology for everybody. All of them are our clients and consumers also. So we need to put into consideration what are the main needs of every person, what are the pains and gains that they suffer, and this exercise will make us a big spectrum of all the things that we are not taking into account when we are developing a new solution. The solution should be for all. You see, what is the journey that this person needs in order to use my product, service, or technology? There's a huge opportunity there because nowadays there are not so many product, services, and technology that are very, very specific for these other diversities. When you are creating a product or service, you have to test with the future client. If we don't do this, obviously we are not going to create also an inclusive product because we need the feedback of each of the different diversities that has to validate the things or the ideas that we created, the solutions that we created. We need to validate with each of the diversities and with real people. If we don't have multidisciplinary groups with different environments, ways of thinking, and we don't work together with the government, in universities, different stakeholders together, it's impossible to create something that will have a benefit in the society. In this case, education is something that will benefit all societies. As you may know, the World Economic Forum has 10 world skills of tomorrow that all the people of different environments, either students, people with disabilities, elderly adults, entrepreneurs, directors, employees must have. These are the 10 most important skills that, according to the Economic Forum, we need to have. But we are missing some of others that we want to add. We need to think about how we are going to evolve these new future of work skills. They must have these three abilities: empathy for diversities, design for all, and marketing for all, and inclusive language and accessibility, either physical accessibility and digital accessibility. If we don't have these four new future of work skills, we are not going to be able to create inclusive innovation for all.